Today I'm going to teach you how to make butter. It's my cream, and then I literally just churn. Okay, so you guys can see how it's getting thicker. It's like almost a pudding consistency. Okay, so you see how it's yellow, and then down there where it's starting to separate, that's the buttermilk. All right, this might be gross. I don't know, I find it kind of cool. That's all the buttermilk. Ooh, and there's the butter. I strain all the buttermilk out of the butter. I'm gonna put this back on. Literally shove the butter into the mold. Now I'm going to put this in the fridge until it hardens.